In this video, we'll be learning our multiplication facts of our 7 times tables. Like I've said before, it's extremely important that you go and do these videos in the order that I'm doing them, because with some of these right now, should I say, we only have to memorize 3 multiplication facts for the 7s. 7 times 7, 7 times 8, 7 times 12. Everything before that, it either has from 0 to 1, from 0 all the way to 11. There's little tricks on how you can memorize them, okay? On the 6, there was some little rhymes, okay? On the 4s, you just had to memorize the 3s. However, on the 7s, when I say memorize on the 4s, you actually just had to memorize 4 times 4, 4 times 3, 4 times 7, 4 times 8, 4 times 12. Okay? On the 7s, you only have to memorize 7 times 7, 7 times 8, 7 times 12. Because you already know 7 times 5, because that's the clock. You slide your finger to the 5, that's 35 minutes. You have to see the videos of all these other ones, because that's the 7 pops up in all of these. Okay, that's why it's extremely important for you to watch these videos in this order. Now, 7 times 5, I say look at the clock, but I know in the clock it's 5 times 7. So for this, we're actually using the commutative property. I can't stress that enough. Okay, I'm just switching them from 7 times 5 to 5 times 7. And 5 times 7 is the clock. Slide your finger over to the 7. That's 35 minutes. That's why it's really important to do these videos. So, let's get started. Once again, unfortunately, we're grinding out these right here. Yes, I know I sort of skipped one, but not really. You'll understand in a little while. So for these, you have the 7 times 7 equals 49. I'm old school. We write it down 20 times. Yes, 20 times. Okay. When you write it, you say it. So that way you write it, you say it, and you hear yourself. So 3 ways you're getting input for it. So it's 7 times 7 equals 49. 7 times 7 equals 49. 7 times 7 equals 49. I don't know about you, but for whatever reason, 7 times 7 almost reminds me of 7 plus 7, which goes 14, 14, 49. I don't know. I'm a little weird like that. That's what helps me out on memorizing the 7 times 7. I think of 14, 49. But I'll say 7 times 7 equals 49. 7 times 7 equals 49. Remember, do not do 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7 times 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7 equals 49, 49, 40. You're not going to help yourself out at all. That's not going to help out at all. You're just wasting time, pencil lead, and paper. Go to the 12s. 7 times 12 equals 84. 7 times 12 equals 84. 7 times 12 equals 84. Write it, say it, and you're listening to yourself. You're going to write it down 20 times. Okay? Next. I know that some of you are like, hey, but wait. What happened to 7 times 8? I actually forgot that there's a little trick. My son, who's my oldest son, he actually told me about this one teacher he had back at elementary. Shout out to Mrs. Barbara Odell and Covenant Christian Academy in the Valley, Rio Grande Valley, over there in McAllen. He taught me because she taught him, okay, transitive property. So he taught me the little trick that she taught him. And here's what she taught him, what he taught me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See that? Now, I know some of you are like, weird. I don't see anything at all. I thought we were doing the 7 times tables. But look, check this out. Look. Seven times 8 equals 56 because 5, 6, 7, 8. How cool is that? My mind was blown. I was like, what? And it just so happens that a lot of students find this one very difficult. But once I teach them that little trick that my son taught, that his teacher taught him, it becomes real easy. Whenever I see a 7 times 8, all I keep thinking of is 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 times 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. See that? 7 times 8 is 56. Why? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, in a little while, we'll be doing another one, or no spoiler alerts, okay? So that's why I really don't have to do anything with the 7 times 8, having you write it down 12 times. Because all I'm going to make you do is write this 12 times or 20 times. If you want to, you can write it down 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put the multiplication, the equals, and circle this. So that way you can remember that 7 times 8 equals 56. Okay? That's why I didn't include it in this one over here. That's why I went from 7 times 7 equals 49, skipped the 7 times 8, and I went to 7 times 12 to show you this little trick. Okay? Thought that was so cool. Now comes this part. My little fun part. 7 right there. Shuffle. Remember, say the answer before I say it. Okay? The ones that you miss, put it over here on the side. If you miss it once, that's okay. Miss it 2 or more times, you don't know it. Write that number down. Write that multiplication fact again 20 times, okay? Collect all of those that you missed and then quiz yourself on that. So now, without any further ado, let's get started. Say the answer before I say it. 7 times 11, 77. Doubled. 7 times 1, 7. 7 times 9, 63. Watch the video on the 9s. 7 times 12, 84. Memorize it. 7 times 2, 14. 7 plus 7. Watch the video on the 2s. 7 times 10, 70. 7 with a 0. Watch the video on the 10s. 7 times 1, 1. It's the other number, 7. Watch the video on the ones and zeros and ones. 7 times 4, 28. 7 times 8, 56. 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 times 6, 42. 7 times 9, 63. 7 times 4, 28. 7 times 6, 42. 7 times 11, 77. Doubled. 7 times 12, 84. Memorize it. 7 times 2, 14. 7 plus 7. 7 times 5, 35. Clock. Slide your finger to the 7. 35 minutes. 7 times 5, 35. Clock. Slide your finger to the 7 minutes. 35 minutes. 7 times 3, 21. 7 times 2, 14. 7 plus 7. 7 times 11, 77. Double. 7 times 12, 84. Memorize it. 7 times 1, 1. It's the other number, 7. 7 times 6, 42. 7 times 9, 63. 7 times 7, 49. Memorize it. Also, it sounds like 14 to me. I don't know. 7 times 3, 21. 7 times 12, 84. Memorize it. 7 times 11, 77. Double. 7 times 8, 56. 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 times 10, 70. 7 with a 0. 7 times 10, 70. 7 with a 0. 7 times 8, 56. 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 times 4, 28. 7 times 2, 14. 7 plus 7. 7 times 8, 56. 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 times 9, 63. 7 times 5, 35. Clock, slide your finger to the 7, 35 minutes. 7 times 1, 7. 1, it's the other number. 7 times 4, 28. 7 times 12, 84. Memorize it. 7 times 5, the clock. Slide your finger to 7 minutes, 35 minutes. 7 times 10, 70. 7 with a 0. 7 times 6, 42. 7 times 7, 49. Sounds like 14. 7 times 7, 49. Sounds like 14. 7 times 3, 21. 7 times 8, 56. 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 times 12, 84. Memorize it. 7 times 7, 49. Sounds like 14. 7 times 7, 7 times 3, 21. Well, that takes care of the 7s. From here, we're done with that. Okay? Keep practicing. Get better at these. Okay? And good luck later on. Bye-bye.